Today is March 14th, 2021. Many people think that once we have a more detailed understanding of neuroscience and the mechanisms of the human brain, consciousness will simply be part of that biological description, much like a full biological description of any other part of the body reveals the specific functions of that organ. I think consciousness is different. I think consciousness is a metaphysical mystery because it changes our understanding of the metaphysical concept of emergence. As philosophers such as David Chalmers have argued, simply understanding the biology of the brain does not do anything to explain why conscious experience comes from brain activity in the first place, or why specific conscious experiences come from specific brain processes. Why does brain process 1 make me experience the smell of chocolate, while brain process 2 makes me experience the smell of mustard? Why isn't it the other way around? Consciousness is a unique kind of emergence, and this is why consciousness is a metaphysical mystery rather than merely a biological mystery. I'm not saying consciousness is magic. I'm saying consciousness is a new type of emergence. I believe consciousness occurs in the brain, but I think the kind of explanation we need to explain why brain processes produce the phenomenon of experience is a philosophical explanation that will somehow reorganize our very understanding of the concept of emergence. It's an issue of the very nature of existence, rather than the details of neuroscience. The properties of consciousness don't seem to have anything to do with the properties of the physical brain, yet they must, because consciousness is a certain part of the brain functioning in a certain way. That's why consciousness is a metaphysical mystery. Every other instance of emergence in the universe, such as a tornado or a train, is a physical system that obviously results from its physical constituents. When you zoom out, the tornado simply is all of those atoms doing what they're doing. A train simply is all of those atoms doing what they're doing. Consciousness, however, is not simply all of the atoms in the brain doing what they're doing. There's another part of the explanation that we haven't yet uncovered. Consciousness comes into existence by a more complicated kind of emergence.